How to create your first menu with the Divi theme. Let's go down to the dashboard. Hit the little dashboard icon at the top here. I'm going to go down to Appearance, Menus. If you haven't created a menu, it's going to prompt you to create a new menu. Give your menu a name and hit the Create Menu button. On the left hand side, it's going to give us a list of pages, posts, custom links and categories. If we open the pages, you can simply check the ones you want to add and hit the Add to Menu. You can drag these by left clicking, pulling them, put them where you want them. If you want to create a sub-menu item that drops down, simply drag it to the right a little bit. It'll stay there and say sub-item. If you don't like it, just drag it back. When you're happy, you can choose to place it as your primary menu, secondary menu or footer menu, or all that you desire. When you're happy, hit Save Menu. And if we visit the site, there's our new menu up there.